Hi guys! Today we are learning how to back up ChatGPT conversations to Google Drive. First, unlock your phone and locate the ChatGPT app. Tap on the app icon to launch it and wait for the home screen to load. Make sure you're signed into the account containing the conversations you want to save. This is where we'll access the export feature. Once the app is open, look at the top left side of the screen. Tap the two horizontal lines to open the navigation menu. This menu gives you access to your chats, settings, and account options. We'll use it to reach the data export section. Now look toward the top right side of the menu. Tap on your profile icon to open account settings. Here you'll find several options related to privacy, personalization, and account management. We'll head into the section that manages your data. After opening the settings page, scroll down through the available options. Look for data controls and tap on it. This section contains tools related to your ChatGPT data and privacy preferences. You'll also find the option to export your information here. Now scroll down until you see the Export Data option. Tap on it to begin the process of downloading your ChatGPT data. ChatGPT will prepare a copy of your conversations and account information. This export file can be used as a backup of your chat history. After tapping Export Data, you may be asked to continue through ChatGPT on the web. Follow the instructions shown on your screen to complete the export request. Once the export is ready, you'll receive access to download your data file. Make sure to save the file to a location you can easily access. After downloading the exported data, open Google Drive on your device. Upload the exported file to your Drive storage for safekeeping. This creates a backup that you can access whenever needed. Your ChatGPT conversations will now be securely stored in Google Drive, and that's how you can easily back up your ChatGPT conversations to Google Drive. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe for more simple tutorials. Also, leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions.